Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a craft together, so let's get started. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be making a doily dream catcher for my mom for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is tomorrow. So I'm going to be working on this most of the day and try to get this up for Sunday. So let's get started. The first thing I have is a plastic hoop, and then I'm going to wrap the plastic hoop with this purple, because purple is her favorite color and her bedroom is in purple, and she's having, she doesn't sleep well since my dad passed, so I figured let me make her a dream catcher. Maybe it will give her some good vibes. So I'm going to wrap the hoop with this purple trim all the way around, and then when I come back we're going to assemble it. So I have some glue. I'm just going to put a tad bit of glue here to hold it, and then I'm going to wrap the hoop, and I'm going to do the hoop wrapping and fast forward so you don't have to sit here through it. So let's get started. This is the doily I'm going to put in the middle. I am going to use this purple floss that I have here. I put about an arm's length on the needle, and I knotted it at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed it through where I glued the top, and I'm going to feed it through the back, the knotted one, so that you won't see it when it's hanging. Okay guys, so all I've done so far is I took some string, actually took some thread because that's what I had handy, and I kind of put the doily where I wanted it in the circle. So I tied it off in 4 areas. Now those 4 areas I will cut off once I have the doily sewed on where I want it. So what I've got is a purple string, and I've just knotted it and fed it up through the back there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down in through the top of the doily. I already took a needle and I pulled up some loops in there where I want to put my thread for me to do the doily. So I'm going to go down. So we're just going to go down through the doily, just like that. Let's move that out of the way. There we go. Okay. Then what we're going to do is through the doily, around the hoop, under the string, just like that. And now we're gonna go back down through the doily where I've already decided where I want the next string to be, and I'm going to go behind the hoop, pull up, pull the thread through, and then I'm gonna feed it through the bottom, so like that, around. And then we're going to pull gently. So there it is there. So that's how it's going to look. And then we're going to go back down through into the middle here of the doily, and then back up around under the hoop and around the string. Right there. So I'm going to do that all the way around. So I'll do one more. We're going to go down into the doily and under the hoop, just like that. And when you come back around the hoop, you're going to lift this string up and go underneath it to make a little twist, just like that, and then you're going to your next one. And you're going to do that all the way around. And when I'm at the end, if I feel like I need to tighten it, I'll just tighten it at the end. So I'm going to fast forward and you guys can see me attach it to the hoop. Happened is I've ran out of string, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this off if I think that the doily's in where I want it to be and how the right tension, which I do. So I'm just gonna tie this one off and tie on a new string and just keep going until I reach the top. So always tie it off. But don't cut the string, because then you can hang something and off of it and let it dangle. So you can utilize this piece. So just leave it there. And I'm just going to tie on a new one and then continue around. We made it all the way back to the top. All we're going to do is tie this off, and then we're going to start decorating. So the doily is attached. I like where it's located. Everything is fine. The tension is fine on the doily. It's not too tight but not too loose. So I'm just going to tie this off, and then we're going to start decorating. I am going to start doing the bottom of the dream catcher. So I have different fibers, all kinds of different. This is eyelash trim that I'm going to use. Then I have a bunch of lace. So we're just going to do some at the bottom and make it full and pretty. I also got some feathers, white and purple. I have some beads, purple beads, that I'm also going to use. So what you pretty much do, it's really simple. Here's a piece that I have. I'm just going to put it in a half, just like that. And then I'm going to go under the hoop and up through, and then just pull the ends through and make a loop, just like that. Pull it tight and pull it down, and now we have our first one. So I'm just going to do that with all of them, and then I'll fast forward through this so you can see it once it's done. I forgot to mention, okay, so I had flipped the hoop to the back side because it's easier, and then at the bottom you get this pretty little ribbon. So I just take my lace, I fold it in half, you push it up through, you pull your tails through, and when you tug it tight, on the other side is where you'll see all the pretty knots, just like that. So I'm just going to keep tying, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I have all the bottom tied on. I think it looks really pretty. What I'm going to do is just add a couple of these 2 beads and maybe a couple of feathers at the bottom there. And just to attach them, I'm just going to tie them on. So just going to tie it right onto the bottom. Just like that. And let it hang. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back. So we have some white and purple feathers on there. I think it's super pretty. So now all we're going to work on is the top part. We're going to decorate up here and then we're done. Okay, so I have some foam flowers, purple and white, and all I'm gonna do is just put a few of these on my project. So once they're done, I'm just gonna glue them down and let it dry, and then this is pretty much ready for Mommy for Mother's Day tomorrow. I hope everyone has a happy Mother's Day. And you get to spend time with the one you love. Everything is closed down here, so we can't go out for dinner, so we'll probably just order something for my mom to have dinner. I think this is turning out really pretty, so at the end what I will do is take a picture and show you guys what the end result looks like when it's hanging up. So I'm just gluing down the flowers. I got these flowers from the Dollarama. I think they're really pretty. And then when I'm done, I'm going to put stickles on it, which is just some glitter. Maybe one more there, and one more there. One more there, and one more there. How about that? Maybe just one more. And then maybe two over here. Or maybe three. Let's see. If we put 1, 2, a cluster of 3 there, and leave this the way it is here, and these 2 up there. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so we're gonna put the white one down. A white one. There. And we're going to put the purple one in the middle. Like that. And we'll squish it in. Just like a little cluster. Like that. I think that's perfect. I think it's really, really pretty. And I have my stickles, which is just glitter, and I'm going to put glitter on some of the petals just to make it look pretty. Just like that. I hope my mom likes it. Okay guys, so this is pretty much done now. What I'm gonna do is I'll hang it up and I'll take a picture so you can see it. And Mommy, happy Mother's Day. I love you to the moon and back. I hope you have a wonderful day tomorrow. And I really hope you like your present. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone.